Hello traders, welcome to this video on the Turbo JRSX Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This advanced oscillator is a smoothed adaptive version of RSI designed to give cleaner overbought/oversold and momentum readings with less noise and lag than standard oscillators. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, I want to allow DLL imports, and there we have it. As you can see, the Turbo JRSX indicator appears in a separate sub-window as a line oscillating between 0 and 100, similar to RSI, but with a smoother, more stable profile. High readings near the upper band imply strong bullish momentum or overbought conditions, while low readings near the lower band imply strong bearish momentum or oversold conditions. Because of its smoothing and adaptive design, swings in the Turbo JRSX line are meant to represent more meaningful momentum shifts rather than every minor fluctuation. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at our customizable inputs. Alright, so we basically have just our length here as our customizable parameter, and then we can choose the line for we can choose the color for the line in the sub window so it fits in perfectly and stands out with our MT4 chart theme. You can also choose the levels displayed, and then you can trade your preferred time frames as well. So who is the indicator for and what are its limitations? Turbo JRSX is suited to traders who prefer oscillator-based entries and exits, but want a smoother, more reliable reading than a standard RSI, especially for spotting momentum turns and divergence. It is still a lagging indicator based on past prices and can remain overbought or oversold for extended periods in strong trends or flip frequently in very range-bound markets. It's recommended that you combine this indicator with trend filters, support and resistance, and risk management rather than relying on Turbo JRSX signals alone. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the Turbo JRSX indicator for MT4 and MT5 and see example setups at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.